In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF background in Zoom, specifically for the 2024 version, and even explore a clever workaround since Zoom doesn't natively support GIFs as animated backgrounds. This will be a straightforward guide, so let's dive right in. First things first, we need to ensure that the virtual background feature is enabled in your Zoom settings. Start by signing in to the Zoom web portal. Once you're logged in, navigate your way over to the Settings page. Within the Settings menu, look for the In Meeting, Advanced section. There, you want to double-check that the virtual background option is turned on. It's a small step, but it's crucial to proceed with this setup. Now switch over to your Zoom desktop app. You'll do this by opening Zoom, then click on Settings again. This time, look for Background and Filters. Make sure the option is visible, reassuring you that everything is set up correctly for the steps ahead. With our virtual background setting enabled, let's tackle the next step, converting your GIF into a video format. Currently, Zoom only accepts videos in MP4 or MOV formats for animated backgrounds, which means your GIF needs a little makeover. To accomplish this, you should use an online converter, such as GIF, which is user-friendly and effective for this purpose. Upload your GIF there and convert it to an MP4. A quick tip: ensure the video resolution is fitting, as Zoom requires at least 640 or 360 pixels for the best performance. Once the conversion is complete, save your new MP4 file in a location on your computer where you can easily locate it, like your desktop or a designated folder. Now that we have our GIF in the correct video format, it's time to upload this into Zoom as your virtual background. Return to the Zoom desktop application, and once more, click into Settings. Navigate again to Background and Filters. Here, you'll see a small plus sign or a button that reads Add Video. Click on that, and it will prompt you to browse your files. Choose the newly converted MP4 video that you just saved. Once the upload is complete, the video will appear in your list of background options. Simply select it, and voila! Your animated background should now be shimmering behind you during your Zoom calls, and there you have it. You've successfully added a GIF as a virtual background in Zoom by converting it into a video. Easy peasy. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want a fresh look or new animated background. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Zoom meetings with your animated backdrop.